Have you ever wondered how cars have transformed from simple mechanical machines to highly intelligent software driven systems? The secret lies in how automotive software has evolved over time. And one of the biggest revolutions in this journey is AUTOSAR, the Automotive Open System Architecture. But today there is an important question every automotive engineer is asking. What's the difference between classic and adaptive AUTOSAR? And which one will lead the future of vehicles? Let's explore this in detail. For many years, classic AUTOSAR has been the standard foundation for automotive software. It provided a common structure that allowed manufacturers and suppliers to build reliable and safe systems for different vehicle functions, whether it was controlling the engine, airbags, or anti-lock braking system. Classic AUTOSAR ensured that everything worked with precision and predictability. It brought standardization, reusability, and most importantly, safety to automotive electronics. Classic AUTOSAR was designed for electronic control units, also known as ECUs, which are typically based on microcontrollers. These ECUs have limited computing power, but they are highly reliable and work in real time. For example, when you press the brake pedal, the braking ECU must respond immediately within milliseconds. That's exactly where classic AUTOSAR shines. It uses a statically configured system, meaning all tasks, schedules, and communication patterns are predefined before the vehicle even starts. Once deployed, the behavior of the system is fixed and predictable, making it ideal for safety critical applications. However, as vehicles began to evolve with more electronics, connectivity, and automation, classic AUTOSAR started facing limitations. The modern car is not just about controlling components, it's about processing large amounts of data from cameras, sensors, and the cloud. Cars now need to make decisions, communicate with other vehicles, and even update their software while driving. These are things that classic AUTOSAR was never designed to handle. It was built for stability, not flexibility, and that's where Adaptive AUTOSAR enters the picture. Adaptive AUTOSAR represents the next generation of automotive software architecture. It's built for high performance computing environment rather than small microcontrollers. Instead of simple ECUs, Adaptive AUTOSAR runs on vehicle servers or high performance computers that can handle complex algorithms, artificial intelligence, and real time communication with the cloud. It uses modern operating system based on POSIX standards such as Linux or QNX, which allows it to manage dynamic applications more effectively. Unlike classic AUTOSAR, which mainly uses the C language, Adaptive AUTOSAR supports C++ and object-oriented design, enabling modular, flexible, and scalable development. One of the biggest strengths of Adaptive AUTOSAR is its dynamic nature. In classic AUTOSAR, all configurations are fixed at design time, but in Adaptive AUTOSAR, applications can be started, stopped, or updated while the system is running. This is the critical for features like over-the-air updates where the car software can be updated remotely just like a smartphone. Adaptive AUTOSAR also supports service-oriented communication, which allows different software components to discover and communicate with each other at a runtime. This makes it ideal for advanced features like autonomous driving, advanced driver assistance systems, and connected infotainment platforms. Now let's compare both architectures to understand their roles better. Classic AUTOSAR is optimized for deterministic real-time control systems where timing and reliability are everything. It's perfect for systems that must always behave in a predictable manner, like powertrain control, braking, or steering. Adaptive AUTOSAR, on the other hand, is optimized for intelligent data-driven applications that need flexibility and computing power. It's suited for vehicle functions that involve decision making, connectivity, and user interaction, such as automated driving systems or digital cockpits. In simple terms, classic AUTOSAR provides the stable foundation of the vehicle, while Adaptive AUTOSAR brings intelligence and adaptability on top of it. The two are not competitors, They complement each other. In fact, modern vehicles often use both. For example, the braking or engine system might still rely on classic AUTOSAR for real-time control, while the autonomous driving module or infotainment system runs on Adaptive AUTOSAR to process complex data and communicate with the cloud. Together, they create a hybrid architecture that supports both safety and intelligence. So, which one is the future? The truth is, both have their place. Classic AUTOSAR will continue to power low-level safety-critical system for many more years because of its reliability and maturity. But the automotive industry is rapidly moving toward software-defined vehicles, where the car's functionality is defined more by software than hardware. In that world, Adaptive AUTOSAR is the key enabler. It allows vehicles to evolve, update, and improve through software throughout their lifetime. It's what makes features like autonomous driving, connected mobility, and AI based decision making possible. As automakers shift towards centralized computing architectures with a few high performance vehicle servers replacing dozens of ECUs, Adaptive AUTOSAR will become the central platform. It offers the flexibility, scalability, and cloud integration required to build the cars of tomorrow. That's why most new research, development, and innovation in automotive software are happening around Adaptive AUTOSAR. To conclude, Classic AUTOSAR laid the foundation for reliable and safe automotive systems, and it will remain an essential part of the automotive ecosystem. But Adaptive AUTOSAR represents the future, the software layer that will drive intelligent, connected, and autonomous vehicles. For engineers and developers, the best path forward is to understand both. Knowing classic AUTOSAR helps you understand the roots of automotive software architecture, while mastering Adaptive AUTOSAR prepares you for the next generation of vehicles. The future of mobility is software driven, and Adaptive AUTOSAR is at the heart of it. Well, that's it.